everyone, welcome back to Monday and welcome to eBay Flip. So for today we got total of 21 leads, 17 coming from eBay OA and then 4 coming from our eBay RA. So let's check some of the deals that we got. First up is this Argos deal wherein you could buy this for 7.50 and sell it for 15.26, double its price. Another one that we got is from Boots. This Tony's item you could buy for 13.49 and sell it for 26.43. Another double its price deal. And lastly, this Lego Marvel deal they could buy for 30 pounds and sell for 60.37. So most of the deals that we check are double its price, guys. So check them out as early as you can. And if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you some offers, review giveaways, affiliate income, bounty bonus, and job opportunities. So if you're interested for these channels, check them out. And a bot operated channel that we got for you is this price drop monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drop of these websites. So check them out because they got great deals and finds for you as well. A lot of options. There you go. As you can see, another bot operated channel is this Amazon to eBay operated channel wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drops from Amazon that you could sell to your eBay account. So check them out. And lastly, our general community that you could use to communicate, chat, and talk to one another. So don't hesitate to use it. And of course, share achievements with. That would be all for a week of today. I hope you guys have a very nice day. Bye, everyone.